Hey, my name is Will Taylor. There's so much more to being an influencer than the kind of pretty pictures that you see posted on social media. There's a business operation going on behind that. To me, design is the fabric of our life. So if it's not done right, it can ruin a multitude of experiences. The site has 2.6 million followers across all of its social networks. So sometimes people say, wow, you got success so quickly. I'm like, wait, I've been doing it almost a decade. That's quite a long time, and it certainly didn't come quick. The blog started as purely a design blog. I didn't appear on it. It was literally just me talking about design and analyzing rooms and sort of saying how they'd come together. It's for about 4 years, I'd say, maybe 5 years. I wasn't earning really much money, but I knew I loved what I was writing about. I felt there was a momentum there, and I was spending evenings, weekends, just devouring all information I could, like looking at my peers, seeing what they were doing, interacting with the community, saving up to buy a camera. The whole experience over the past, almost a decade has been like a baptism of fire. So what catches my eye when it comes to design, anything Scandinavian I love. Like, if you look around my apartment, there's lots of pale woods, clean lines, anything very graphic I love. So lots of pattern, obviously bright colors, but it doesn't have to be bright. In the summer, it tends to be much more saturated, much brighter, because I'm reflecting what I'm seeing. And then it becomes more seasonal. So it's more autumnal, copper tones, auburn tones. It's kind of crazy to me that something I started in a tiny rented bedroom living in London has now afforded me the ability to move to a country I love, the city I love, and do a job I love from something that literally started as a hobby.